My name is Loia. I'm 22 years old. My village is in Samoa is Siumsaanga. That's where my dad's from, and Lalaman, my mom's village.
Congratulations on the win.
Thank you.
How do you feel now with winning gold for the Pacific Games for Samoa?
I feel I feel good, speechless. Yeah.
Just tell me a little history about yourself. Have you been to other major competitions? Or?
Also, this is the first international competition that I've actually been to. But yeah, it's
Who was your coach? Who was
my coach back at home is David Toa.
How do you feel as the coach?
Oh, honoured. I'm blessed to have him as a coach. Yeah, so he's just been there for me through everything, basically. Ever since I stepped into the gym, he's been like family.
How long have you been doing it?
Around 3 to 4 years. Yeah.
So representing Samoa now, and now you got gold, where do you see yourself in future?
I'm looking forward to represent Samoa in other events. But in the future, I actually want to turn pro. But I'm just trying to get as much experience as I can in amateurs before turning pro.
Anything? How did you feel about the opponents you faced getting that gold?
Oh, my opponents, they were good. They had power. But yeah, they got good talent.
Anything you wanna change from how you were fighting here today?
Just moving my head more. Yeah, and using my angles more, using my brain next time. Yeah.
Anything you want to say to all your supporters, fans?
Yes. First of all, I'd like to thank the Lord for guiding and protecting me. To my family and friends back at home, to my parents, thank you for the support. Special thanks goes to the coaches here and the management, the Team Samoa, for their support and their guidance along the way. Especially my coach back at home, my teacher back at home, David Toa. Yeah, so special thanks to him.
Lastly, you being like girl coming representing Samoa, getting gold now.
Yeah.
What do you want to say to any young girls that are looking to take this event as a sport?
Go for it. Go for it. It's fun. It's fun. I mean, you don't be scared. Don't give up. Give it a go. Yeah. One in spirit.